Hello, in the following video, my AI friend Simon is going to explain an amazing solution.
Right now, your Claude agent can write code, but it can't send a simple text message. That changes today. I'm going to show you how to send SMS from Claude Code with the help of an SMS MCP server. This solution connects Claude Code directly to an SMS MCP server running on your own computer. It will send SMS directly to mobile phones. The solution has three components: Claude Code, Ozeki SMS Gateway, the SMSC. Once all of these components are configured and ready, you'll be able to type a natural language prompt like "Send Hello World" to my phone number, and watch Claude instantly deliver that message as a real SMS. So what is Claude Code? Claude Code is an AI tool that helps developers write and fix computer code directly from their terminal. People use it to work faster and solve tricky programming problems. SMS can be used to notify developers when long tasks finish or when an error happens. How about Ozeki SMS Gateway? Ozeki SMS Gateway is a software program that runs on your computer. It can connect Claude Code directly to the mobile phone network. It has a built-in SMS MCP server. How are the components connected? We connect Claude Code to Ozeki SMS Gateway using the MCP protocol, where Claude Code acts as the MCP client and Ozeki SMS Gateway provides the MCP server functionality. Ozeki SMS Gateway is then connected to the SMSC using the SMPP protocol. When an SMS is sent, first it goes from Claude Code to Ozeki, then it goes from Ozeki to the mobile network. Now let's create the solution. First, we need to download Ozeki SMS Gateway and install it on our computer. We can install it on Windows and on Linux. Next, we need to connect Ozeki SMS Gateway to the mobile network. In our example, we set up an SMPP client connection directly to the SMSC through the internet. SMPP is a fast and reliable protocol. It is used by mobile network operators to exchange SMS traffic. Once our SMS connection is working, we need to create an MCP user account. This will allow us to connect our AI system to the SMS gateway using an API key. After the SMS gateway is ready, we need to create the MCP server configuration file for Claude Code. I put a sample JSON config into the video description. The final step is to test our system by sending a test SMS from Open Code. You can do this by instructing the AI in plain English. After the SMS is sent, you can verify the SMS gateway logs. And that's all it takes to turn your Claude Code into a texting machine. Subscribe to unlock your AI's superpowers with other exciting videos.